Most of the people who do marketing for a brand will always consume their content looking at their own handle, and what they're experiencing in that moment is the absolute 100% share of voice of their own content and loving the feed, loving the design. But guess what? Your consumer invariably never consumes your post like that. They consume you as a disruption between your friend in London and one in Lonavala and you in the middle.
What are the new skills that you started learning here after you came to Bombay and you were in this new world, thrust into this new world? So I understand the fascination with the glamour around this world.
Correct.
But abhi काम भी करना है रोज.
Correct.
So where did you learn what you learned? So I think you worked with Z, then you moved to Viacom, then you moved to Book My Show. Now you work with Amazon.
Yeah.
So can we focus on the skills part? के सीखा क्या and how did you learn?
Right. So I think though my career particularly, my expertise are two simple things. One is marketing in the most, I think, simplest terms. I can complicate it as a marketer as much as I want, but marketing is one thing, which is my career, which was also by the virtue of education, because advertisement and PR, again, one can argue are form of marketing. So that's what I studied and that's what I thought. बेचना आता है ये भी एक शुरुआत से. Again, other reality of who you are. You know, all of us, some of us are great at focusing and writing a code or several things, right? I knew कि बेचना आता है. You know, and marketing and several other videos I've seen, you will hear this, and I cannot agree more. Some of the videos I heard, eventually जीवन sales ही है यार. मतलब for most part, unless you're a technical professional on few things, like you really have a sharp skill set of being a sound designer or a great actor, बेचना है mostly, right? So marketing भी form of बेचना है. So marketing is one. And the second is digital marketing really, which was the keen interest in not only just consuming it as a consumer कि Facebook आया मैं अपना पेज खोलूँगा, फोटोग्राफी का पेज बना देता हूँ, या लोग Facebook चला रहे हैं, Instagram चला रहे हैं, but also taking a keen interest कि आप तो कंज्यूम कर रहे हो, but जो brands and business हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं इसके ऊपर. TikTok सबने डाउनलोड किया था, and this is again slight difference of how you look at things. कितने लोगों ने जब TikTok आके वायरल हो रहा था ट्राई किया था टू सी यार लेस क्या कर रहा है. कोक इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी कंपनी है, सबसे ज़्यादा वो बेचती है बेवरेज. कोक टिकटॉक पे क्या कर रहा है? हम सारे तो टिकटॉक पे हैं, तो हम कंज्यूमर हैं. ब्रांड क्या कर रही है? सो आई टुक एन अर्ली इंटरेस्ट इन जस्ट ऑलवेज फिगरिंग आउट कि कोई भी जो नया डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म है उस पर क्या हो रहा है. सो आई थिंक therefore the two bullet points of my career are marketing and digital technologies. I wouldn't even say digital marketing because I've done many things which are outside of marketing but on digital, you know, just technology. And I think through Z, then Viacom, which I again consider as my second alma mater which in the media world, because Viacom, and you will, by the way, another side note, you know, as a learning point is...
he also met his wife at Viacom, so yeah. I think it's I think थोड़ा
correct
biased है वहाँ पे.
वो तो हाँ correct, वो तो extraordinary ROI निकल आया था जॉब का. मतलब one can only hope that happens or it doesn't. But no, like I think a lot of organizations, startups included, you will see उनके LinkedIn पे, उनके Insta पे, उनके Twitter पे, that's where you get to see. There are some who are genuinely making a attempt to tell you हमारे यहाँ काम करना कैसा है. सब बताएंगे करवाना क्या है, सब बताएंगे पैसा इतना देता है. ये तो basic transaction है ना. You want my time or my skill, I will give you money. But there are few you will find in today's world who are telling you what is it to work with us, who are we culturally, how involved are we with your career. Again, give a disproportionate advantage to those employers because they are not treating you as a resource. किसी भी कंपनी इंटरव्यू में अगर आपको रिसोर्स बोल रहे हैं ना तभी उठ के चले जाओ, बिकॉज देन आप लैपटॉप हो वहाँ पे, आप रिप्लेसेबल हो और आपके करियर में राइट जेन्युइनली वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बोल रही है मुझे उतना ही इंटरेस्ट है जितना तुम वैल्यू डिलीवर कर सकते हो, नॉट कि आप कहाँ जाओगे. इन 2012, एंड आई विल कम टू दैट towards the end as one of the most memorable work I've done, but my very first campaign, by the way, this is where it gets interesting, was Gangs of Wasseypur. I don't know how and when you discovered it. I'm sure a lot of you did not watch it in theaters. That's the other beauty about this movie. And we knew that ये हम थिएटर के लिए नहीं बना रहे हैं. 2011-12 मीडिया वर्ल्ड में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टाइम था बिकॉज वी रियलाइज दैट अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट दैट इज गोइंग टू नाउ बी क्रिएटेड वो सिर्फ थिएटर्स में सर्व नहीं होने वाला है. राइट वो टीवी पे जाएगा, स्क्रीन्स पे जाएगा. डिजिटल आ रहा था उस टाइम, मीडिया को समझ नहीं आ रहा था, बट आ रहा था डिजिटल. एंड द पॉइंट, लाइक आई मीन कमिंग बैक टू व्हाट द ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन वाज, दैट आई थिंक द context of understanding what are the skill sets that you can add value to in this industry. Glory एक side है, but आप मीडिया में करने क्या गए हो? So I think I told them that देखो मुझे भी अभी आता नहीं है, मैं सीख रहा हूँ, which is another very important thing, right? Because some of the things that you are attempting to do in your career right now, उसके लिए कोर्स है ही नहीं यार. Amazon में मैं
until we make it, yeah.
Until of course इस ad के प्रायोजक हैं अंकित दोषी. But of course, I mean, and that's the gap which is getting closed now. People who work with cutting edge companies are now creating courses so they know what all is required. But today also I can tell you, within Amazon there are at least 30 different profiles which are functional today, or in Viacom or in other technology companies जिनका कोई course ही नहीं है. So there is no blueprint for that course. In 2011 there was no blueprint of social media marketing. People didn't know that has to be done. So there was definitely no course. I had done no course, but I was able to show interest, which is also important when you go to an interview. If you're able to show that you understand a space and you are passionate about it, very important. Because more often than not आप इंटरव्यू में थोड़ी बता पाते हो कि आपने क्या क्या किया है, बट आपकी एनर्जी डेफिनेटली एम्प्लॉयर समझता है, पैशन समझता है, और वो बहुत हाई वैल्यू होती है किसी के लिए भी, राइट? यू वांट एन इंटरेस्टेड पर्सन इन योर टीम, नो मैटर व्हाट द जॉब प्रोफाइल इज, राइट? आई वाज एबल टू गिव देम दैट, देखो मुझे इसमें बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, तुमको ये करना है, मुझे अगर अलाउ करोगे करने के लिए तो मैं कुछ कर लूँगा. आता नहीं है बिकॉज किसी को भी नहीं आता अभी मीडिया में, नो वन नोज इट, राइट? And they allowed that opportunity. They invested in my learning growth where I used to go back to them with very expensive programs. They funded it. In Viacom, 3.5 years, I did many courses which they funded for. Went for 3 days sessions, went for 6 months online courses, went for buying expensive magazines. They used to sponsor all of it because they realized that all of it is only going to benefit us, which I really hope that I did provide that value. So I think for me in the 3 organizations, the biggest skill set I learned is that people don't realize that entertainment is actually one of the most dangerous businesses to survive. Why? 2 facts. 8 out of 10 commercial movies will never make the money that they have invested. No other business in technology, FMCG, please go and do a referencing. जो 40 से 50 करोड़ एक प्रोडक्ट पे लगाते हैं, उन्हें पता है वो नहीं चलेगा. That is the success metric. 2, अभी छोड़ दो OTTs के पहले. Every weekend India across the country, सिर्फ बॉलीवुड नहीं, साउथ which is तेलुगु, तमिल, मलयालम मार्केट, भोजपुरी मार्केट, बंगाल मार्केट, मराठी मार्केट, these are viable markets. इंडिया में हर वीकेंड में 20 से 27 मूवी रिलीज होती हैं हर वीकेंड. यू आर ऑल ऑडियंस हु हैज दैट चॉइस. इफ यू थिंक मूवीज आर नॉट बीइंग मार्केटेड टू यू, बट दे हैव बीन ब्यूटिफुली गेटिंग मार्केटेड बिफोर यू इवन नो, बिकॉज द अदर की रियलिटी ऑफ मीडिया बिजनेस इज आफ्टर 2 weekends it's a dead vegetable. No one will consume an old movie, right? And this was something which was told by my CEO then at Viacom, and I realized that social media is going to be the next biggest advent, which is going to make sure that when my product is fresh, I will be able to tell people that, hey, this is for you. So I think the 2 key skill sets that, and again, what I do to keep myself relevant is, it's just consume it in a different way. But I think knowing that digital is going to change how entertainment will work, and understanding some principal fundas of marketing which are relevant to my industry are the 2 things that I've focused on, and I think I've been building from there onwards. Social being, and I pivoted to social media marketing as something which I believe is now the present, pretty much the present, and will be future proofed for few years till the time we find out how to connect differently. But at least for 1 or 2 decades, I think social media is going to be here.
Yeah, I think there is a nub equivalent right now who's working on the metaverse, who will give a story like this 10 years later. Correct. On the metaverse saying
could be nub as
जब
well,
कोई
but
metaverse के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा था तभी मैं metaverse के ऊपर.
Correct.
Anyway,
Correct.
So I think that's exactly how things should evolve. You did mention Gangs of Wasipur. Any other projects you'd like to talk about? What are some of the things that you really find memorable?
Yeah, I at least as of today, my most memorable project is Mirzapur. How many of you watched Mirzapur? Yeah, nice. TG तक तो पहुंच गए.
No, so Mirzapur, great product as well, right?
Exactly.
So वो लोग आके बोलेंगे कि अरे यार नब तूने क्या किया? प्रोडक्ट तो हमने
ये
अच्छा
है
बनाया.
कमेंट सेक्शन जो मैंने एंटिसिपेट किया था, मैं इसी का जवाब देने वाला हूँ.
हाँ, so but
Yeah.
that's what people want to know, right? Like
Yeah,
what is the edge and
Correct.
Addition
Absolutely.
that you did so that so many people today know about it.
Correct. No, that is spot on. And I think I have been in couple of FMCG interviews where the hiring category head has said, movies को marketing लगती है क्या? And I was like, sir, it's amazing about your understanding. It's different, right? But absolutely, right? Entertainment is one of those categories that one can always argue कि इतनी अच्छी movie थी यार, ये इतना अच्छा show था, ये तो मैं देखने वाला था, right? और या तो हम देख ही लेते, ये मेरे पास तो पहुंच ही जाता, right? But that's not the case at all. Let me burst that bubble. That is not the case. 120% that's not the case. Very similar content like Mirzapur is currently 2 cutting edge shows, are on MX, are on Z5, are on 5 other services. But I can absolutely assure you that not only have you not watched it, you have genuinely not even heard about it, right? Because the other big thing with entertainment, why it is such a social media friendly category, is that it comes with two inherent things. One is validation, other is brag rights. गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स आपने देखा है, ये कंटेंट चॉइस का सवाल नहीं है, ये आपकी अपनी वैलिडेशन है, क्या आप इस सोशल सर्कल में बिलोंग करते हो. पॉइंट 1. पॉइंट 2, टाइमली अगर आपने गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स नहीं देखा तो आपके पास मोस्ट सोशल कॉन्वर्सेशन में ब्रैग राइट्स नहीं होंगे. द मोमेंट यू रियलाइज दैट एंटरटेनमेंट एज अ प्रोडक्ट सर्व्स दीज टू नीड्स ऑफ पीपल, what you then start doing with marketing is not telling how great the show is, because आप शो तो कभी मार्केट कर ही नहीं सकते. एंड फ्रैंकली ट्रेलर इज एवरीथिंग. कोई भी मूवी, कोई भी बड़ा शो, कितना भी बड़ा शो हो, लाइक द क्राउन विच इज द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव शो, $10 million ईच एपिसोड, इट इज बिगर देन मोस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोडक्ट का बजट. इवेंचुअली दे नीड टू टेल यू इन 3 minutes why you have to watch it. So that part is going to be with the editor. That Nab Gupta as social media marketer doesn't control. But what Nab controls is what you and I every day in our WhatsApp, Insta, TikTok are getting hype about. So this category called hype marketing, which now Swiggy uses and so many consumer category uses, is the birthplace from entertainment marketing. So what I added value, I believe, or what we as my team added value, because I तो नहीं हो सकता, because बहुत ज़्यादा team effort होता है. And in fact, something that I discovered as a playbook, which now we have used in many places, it's becoming now our job, is that we realize the power of meme marketing. मतलब of course, Mr. Elon Musk ने tweet में बोला हुआ है, meme is the message. I cannot tell you how much of a truth it is already. You have governments elected, people represented, boards being selected with what your messaging is on a meme. And in Mirzapur we realized that ये show इस category के लिए है. Engineering students, by the way, was the cohort we drew on a whiteboard to say इनको ये show सबसे पहले पहुंचेगा. ये वो फुट सोल्जर हैं जो इसको वायरल कर देंगे, हमको इसको मार्केटिंग नहीं करना. वी डोंट हैव टू टेक इट टू द फैमिली क्राउड, वी डोंट हैव टू टेक इट टू द 31-year-old, वी डोंट हैव टू टेक इट टू इवन अ 19-year-old art student. We only have to take it to the engineering crowd who has earlier also shown interest in this, and the one thing they love and understand is meme marketing. So just to give you context, during the 80 days of Mirzapur, before the show was even dropped, we actually created about 7,000 to 10,000 different memes across platforms you have never heard. Because memes don't get originated on your Instagram, by the way. They are made on Reddit, Quora, Telegram, even today. वहाँ आप end consumer हो, बनते वहाँ नहीं है. कभी किसी मीम बनाने वाले से मिलो, मोस्ट अनअज्यूमिंग गाय, उसकी 300,000 फॉलोइंग होती है भाई की, क्योंकि ही नोज हाउ टू गेट दैट ह्यूमर इन प्लेस, एंड मीम इज द मैसेज. सो आई थिंक beyond everything else that we did, and you know what we did with the story and how we hyped it, but the single biggest thing that we did is we realized that meme is not a fringe, meme is the message. And for a content like this, the only thing that we need to do is make Mirzapur accessible to my audience through memes, and that's the only thing we did, and I think we did really well. Where our opening weekend, numbers aside, just to give you another data, you know, and because at least at Amazon we are now being taught, and I am learning a muscle memory to feel in your gut but provide evidence with data. After Big Boss, Mirzapur till now, collectively both season, is the most discussed online show in India, measurable by Twitter conversations. Big Boss being number 1. After that, the biggest show in the country in terms of volume of conversation, Mirzapur is the biggest show in terms of conversation. So, yeah.
I think we can go on and on
of course.
for many hours, and I'm sure Nab loves talking. You know, if you ever meet him elsewhere, you can easily spend a few hours with him.
I agree.
But and I think I've asked a lot of questions, and because there is paucity of time, I want to open the floor to the audience. So guys, open to you. If you have questions for Nab, I've seen a lot of you listening to him intently. A few people seem to relate to him quite a lot as well. Similar stories, I think. So, who wants to go first?
Yeah, hi Nab.
Hi.
As you said, meme marketing is the next big thing, and which is already happening. I wanted to know your views on the Web3 space and how how Web3 would affect marketing. How NFTs or cryptos or blockchain would be the catalyst in allowing us to market entertainment products better.
तो देखो यार, 2 जवाब हैं. एक है जो मैं एज अ स्पीकर आई ओड टू यू टू साउंड नॉलेजेबल, और दूसरा है कड़वी सच्चाई. सो लेट मी गो विद कड़वी सच्चाई. Web3, my understanding, and it's very headline because Web3 is a technology which is a profound technology, and its implications are still only being scratched at the surface. there is no real use case as far as I understand in my domain of what I do, and therefore I'm in no position to comment how it will impact marketing. But I truly do believe as much as what we understood when dial-up came and internet से Yahoo खुलता था और वो भी amazing लगता था, Web3 के जो crypto और NFT के use cases हैं वो उतने ही equivalent हैं और उतने ही nascent हैं, and no one is right now missing the bus by not being a part of it. You can be a part of it and that's great for you, but you can definitely also choose. Like when Yahoo was opening, I never imagined I'll be a social media marketer, right? When my father got me a computer. So my honest answer is that I don't know how marketing will be impacted because I don't know what Web3 will principally change as a consumption behavior. How will consumers change? Marketing is a subset of how am I hacking your behavior. I don't know yet Web3 से हम कैसे differently behave करेंगे and therefore then कैसे एक दूसरे को reach करेंगे. Also Web3 ना creation zone में है. ये almost like imagine करो internet has found a new Lego toys. अभी लेगो का डब्बा बेचना है, बट लेगो से पहले क्या क्या कूल चीज़ें बन सकती हैं. सेम व्हाट शिखा वाज सेइंग, प्रोडक्ट होगा तो स्ट्रैटेजी होगी, मार्केटिंग तो और बाद में आएगा. सो आई थिंक Web3 अभी क्रिएशन में है, देयरफॉर आई डोंट नो मार्केटिंग में इवन एनी, आई मीन माई नॉलेज इज लिमिटेड फॉर श्योर कि कैसे वो उसको क्रैक करेंगे या कैसे उस इकोसिस्टम में मार्केट कर पाएंगे. अभी तो बिल्ड हो रहा है, वो वर्ल्ड ही बिल्ड नहीं हुआ तो कैसे पता मार्केट कैसे करेंगे.
Hi Nab, I'm Tabish. Wanted to ask you a question. I have seen two kinds of brands over the web ecosystem. One who create culture and one who follow the trends. So what do you think there is a blueprint through which a brand can create its own culture? Because there are brands following the trend, going with the herd.
Spot on.
Yeah. So is there some blueprint for that?
For anybody who follows us on social media, Tabish Mohammed is the guy who
Runs your
manages the entire social media for
High
Altune
five.
Inside. I am
From one मजदूर to another. सोशल मीडिया बहुत सारी मजदूरी है, कोई कभी नहीं बताएगा, बट आप करते तो आपको बता सकता हूँ मैं.
and he's doing a fabulous job.
No,
so-
no, he is. The dream is to be the brand who can create a culture, right? Nike, BNB, Zomato, Swiggy's, and impact where? Because there are some brands which are not as profound in real world. Like I can argue Zomato is not as profound as a product, right? But on social they are cutting edge. Like there is no one जो Insta join करेगा और उसने Zomato का कुछ content ना देखा हो, कोई भी एज ग्रुप का हो. ये फैक्ट है. क्यों? क्योंकि Instagram एक्सप्लोर फीड में ही भेज देता है इतना कंटेंट, राइट? सो आई कैन से द क्वेश्चन इज एक्चुअली अ सम जीरो गेम. बी स्मार्ट एंड विजिलेंट टू कॉपी ट्रेंड्स ऑन टाइम इन एन ऑथेंटिक वे टिल द टाइम यू स्टार्ट क्रैकिंग मेरा ट्रेंड क्या मैं बना सकता हूँ. बट दोनों ऑप्शनल नहीं है, एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हैं. क्योंकि जब तक जो ट्रेंड बना रहे हैं उनको बहुत क्लोज मैग्नीफाइंग लेंस है, स्पेशली द वंस हु आर हैंडलिंग द हैंडल्स यू नो ऑफ द ब्रांड्स. हम ऑब्सेस करके उनका पोस्टमार्टम नहीं करेंगे. इट विल बी इम्पॉसिबल टू नो व्हाट डू आई डू फॉर माई ब्रांड. And I can tell you in our journey as Prime Video, right, when we started out, we were doing some cliche things. Then we realized that social पे अगर personality नहीं है, सबसे बड़ा गुना वही है. क्योंकि more often than not, the biggest bullshit that we all live through as brand managers, which I think is going to be an obsolete title very soon. Do not aspire to be a brand manager. We are going to be obsolete soon. Headline. You always think of your content by looking at your handle. Most of us, when we get into jobs, I don't know if any one of you does marketing for a living. Most of the people who do marketing for a brand will always consume their content looking at their own handle, and what they're experiencing in that moment is the absolute 100% share of voice of their own content and loving the feed, loving the design. But guess what? Your consumer invariably never consumes your post like that. They consume you as a disruption between your friend in London and one in Lonavala and you in the middle. Right? And so therefore the moment you start changing your perspective to ये कैसे consume करने वाले हैं मेरे perspective लोग, you will start becoming a culture trendsetter for them. When I can argue and discuss about the things that you do on the handle, some of the stuff is Straight Jacket, which is the brand resonance of VR educational course. But if you want to be a trendsetter, eventually people come on social to consume another personality. Tell me one brand that you love on Insta or Twitter who does not have a personality. I can't tell you, like you can't think of anyone. They will always have a personality. So I think culture trendsetter बनने से पहले personality ढूंढो, आप अपने आप trendsetter बन जाओगे.
So when you mentioned at some point in your talk that अभी 2 हफ्ते में आपका film bundle हो जाता है. In social media also you have that window.
Right.
Beyond that you can't stretch it. Right?
Correct.
Coming from an age where दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे had that streak. राइट बहुत सालों से चलते ही है, अभी भी चल रही है किसी किसी जगह पे. करेक्ट. फ्रॉम देयर टू सोशल मीडिया जहाँ 2 हफ्ते में सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है. सो क्या ये ब्रांड्स कर रही है, क्या ये सोशल मीडिया कर रही है एज अ कल्चर, क्या ये हम कर रहे हैं एज एन ऑडियंस, और क्या इसको चेंज किया जा सकता है? एंड इज देयर समथिंग दैट द सोशल मीडिया एज एन एंटीडोट कैन वर्क ऑन?
यार काफ़ी गहराइयाँ सवाल है, तो मैं शॉर्ट में तो नहीं पता कैसे आर्टिकुलेट करूँ, बट सी यू आर आस्किंग टू क्वेश्चंस रियली. यू आर आस्किंग, actually not asking, one question is you're reflecting with pain that we don't live long enough with things we love.
Right.
And the second question that you're asking is how do we start living long enough with the things we love?
Right. And is there a way?
There is certainly a way. In fact, social is the answer to that, right? Now I would reframe that question to say that the things I loved, so Black Hawk Down for me, by the way, personally as Navgupta, is among the top 5 films I've ever watched. I have loved gaming from बचपन, Counter Strike पे बड़ा हुआ हूँ मैं, and Black Hawk Down just felt like the most insane thing that happened in 2006, right? और उस टाइम भी CD पे देखी थी, फिर DVD पे देखी, फिर पेन ड्राइव पे देखी, और अब बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे है. बट एज अ फैन बॉय मेरे पास आउटलेट नहीं था एक्सेप्ट फॉर मेरे 2-3 दोस्त जिन्होंने पायरेट करके देखी थी, राइट? एंड सो इट लिव्ड ओनली इन माई हेड and really had no other advent for me to really go and fan about it, right? And live the reality or the trivia or all of that. Social is actually the extreme opposite. It allows you to find so many fan groups which allow you to live something that you love, right? The counterpoint, what you're saying is that because however the other, and it is just the nature of the medium, yaar. The nature of the medium is that everything which is fresh will be appreciated the most. However, if you are a true lover of anything, it could be a breed of dog, it could be Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, or it could be a kind of clothing. You will actually now have the means to celebrate and keep it alive forever. So to also finish that point, Gangs of Wasseypur is my only campaign that I've managed on social media, which we as a company decided to give access of the official page back to the fans. And since the release in 2011-2012, the social media handles of Gangs of Wasseypur are being run by the fans, not by the brand, and they keep it alive.
And it's still alive.
It's still
Very
alive,
much kicking.
and it will remain alive because at least the kind of fans that we see, and you can see in this room, वो थिएटर वाली नहीं है, ये वो वाली कुछ मूवीज हैं जो हॉलीवुड में भी ऐसे केस हुए हैं कि बाद में पब्लिक को समझ आ रहा है यार ये तो बहुत सही था. So you know, you will keep finding new generations coming in. They will be given a handover by someone adult to say बहुत cool है देख ले, and you know they will then find the page after watching the movie, यार social पे देखता हूँ इसके बारे में और क्या क्या है. So in that sense, I think social provides you both those advents.
Perfect. Thank you.
Awesome. A big round of applause for Nub, guys.
Thank you.